Okay, we're going in here to the cave of Rabbi Yehoshua ben Chananya to give you another idea, another one of these ancient structures that has been used for places of prayer and learning and meditation. And as we called it before, these are the ancient isolation chambers of holiness where we can really settle ourselves down, be quiet and calm. And here on the floor, you see, trying to get the right, there on the grate there is actually the entrance to the cave that is underground. And that was the practice for burying people so long ago. This place is underneath giant fig trees, and you see there's this sense of sanctity and peace that pervades, the walls, the stones, for thousands of years. So I think when we connect to that, we connect to that place in ourselves as well. And that changes everything. Because we recognize we're only here a short time on this planet. But when we connect to the eternality of our soul, it lessens the bitterness and pain of the frustrations and disappointments of this world. Because maybe just maybe, we're here for other things than the expectations that are brought upon us by a culture that's not our own, by an understanding and a teaching that's not our own. And we find ourselves and our relationship to God as the true place of satisfaction and peace and dignity and hope and strength. And when we have those things, life just gets better and better. All the best.